Hello, this is Fernando from Lodomus.com. In this video I'm going to show you how we generated buyer leads for just 2.3435 euros, which are 2.60 USD. This is for a campaign I helped a real estate agent that targets Barcelona, Spain. We were targeting only English-speaking people. That means that the ads are more expensive when you are restricting by the language. If you have no restrictions, then normally the ads are more cheap. Let me show you how we did that. We had a single campaign, and normally I always create two ad sets to split test, 10 euros or $10 daily. And then also inside the ad sets I always create two ads. I want to also split test the ads, and I find that Facebook normally works better when you have 2-3 ads inside of one ad set. So this was a relatively small audience. I normally like bigger audiences, but we had only English speaking people, so that's why. Let me show you in here what we targeted and how we did that. I will also show you later on the real ad and the landing page that we used. Very simple one. So I'm going to edit the ad set, and in here you can see this is a custom conversion. A custom conversion is a conversion that I create inside here the administrator. Custom conversions in here by selecting a URL where the custom conversion should fire. Normally it is on the thank you page. Okay, so we had it placed on the thank you page. I have another video that shows how to do that. So this was firing. I named it with 250 and 500. This means this was a report of houses between 250 and 500k euros. They just had to click on the ad and fill their details, and then they would be redirected to a thank you page. The potential reach was 680k, which is good, not bad. Normally I like to have them a bit bigger, around the million, but in Barcelona we don't have as many people talking English, so that's why. The daily budget for each ad set was 10 euros. Okay, if it was too small I wouldn't get enough conversions for this ad set to work properly, to optimize properly. I also have a video about the budget. I will give a link above and you can go and check it out. Okay, so in here we had no custom audiences, nothing, just Barcelona and 10-mile radius. This was very important for my client since he doesn't speak very good Spanish, so he wanted to have them in English. We also wanted to try on Arabic, so this would be our next step. For now this was it. And in here I excluded every real estate agent that has in their profile as a job title as real estate agent. And so this was it. We also only targeted mobile devices. Facebook on the news feed. Normally it is way cheaper to have mobile devices and not desktop. Desktops are usually more expensive. But anyways, if you run some traffic, you will see that 70-80% of the traffic that comes to your website is mobile. I didn't even want Instagram, I just wanted Facebook. If I wanted to scale, I would use Instagram and Messenger. But we had very good results with this. Okay, so this was it. I left all the mobile devices on, and this is it. Now let me show you the ad that performed the best. Okay, so now let me show you the ad we were running. This is the ad, which is Attention Barcelona, do you know anyone looking to buy a home? In here you would put your the city you are targeting, and we had created a report with homes for sale between 250 and 500k euros. Okay, so this was it. When users are interested, in here we had some good engagement. When users are interested, they just have to click on this link and they get redirected to this page. We had 2 pages split testing the 2 pages. This is one of them. So when the user comes on mobile, he clicks on here and he is requested to insert his name, email and phone. Once he fills this form, he clicks on the button, he gets his data is sent to the autoresponder, to ActiveCampaign, the one I always recommend you use. And the user gets the PDF, a link to download the PDF, and he is added to an autoresponder, so he starts to get emails from us. This is what you should always do with your subscribers, with the people looking to buy a home from you. With this campaign we had very good results, and we are going to test many more things like other languages and to test other ads too. So I hope this was helpful for you, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments.